Hi everyone, let's make flowers using pipe cleaner. So we are going to fold this purple color of pipe cleaner, twist it and look, your flower is ready. We're also making a mini yellow flower. So fold this yellow pipe cleaner, paste it at the center using hot glue gun, roll it using floral tape. Let's make little flower bird as well. So take this purple color of pipe cleaner, fold it, bend it as well and roll all of them together using floral tape one after another. And look, it's ready. Let's make leaves for the flower. So take this green color of pipe cleaner, fold it and we're going to tie it at the bottom part like this. Now combine all of them together using floral tape and look, your flower sticks are ready. Let's make flowers using pipe cleaners. So take a pen and roll this blue color of pipe cleaner, remove it and twist it again and look, your flower petals are ready. Twist it over and over again and look, your flower is done. Now we're going to put some color on the top of as well, and we're also pasting this pearl using this lighter. We're going to cut some extra thread and roll it using floral tape. Now make more such flowers and combine them together and make a bunch of flower. After making it, we're going to combine all the flowers together and leaves as well on this green stick and roll it using floral tape one after another. And look how pretty this flower is looking. In this video, we're going to make flowers, so let's get started. First, we are going to take this green color of pipe cleaner, cut all of them, fold it and make these three different type of shapes. After doing this, hold one of them and fold like we are doing here in this video. Similarly, we are going to fold all of them and you will get these different shapes. Now take a green color of wire stick and we're going to paste all the petals on the top of it and look, your flower is ready. After this, we're going to fold this green color of pipe cleaner, paste it using hot glue gun and look, it's done. Now take green color of pipe cleaner, fold it like we're doing here in this video and make a leaf shape. Fold it again and we're going to put it through the wire and look, it's ready. We're going to make these leaves, combine all of them together around the flower and look, your flower stick is ready. Let's make beautiful flowers using pipe cleaner. So we're going to fold this purple color of pipe cleaner and make the petals of the flower. Now take another pipe cleaner, fold it, cut it and then we're going to cut another piece of pipe cleaner and put all of them on the top of the pipe cleaner like this and twist it like we're doing here. After this, we're going to hold all of them like this, fold it and make the petals of the flower. Now we are going to make more such flower petals. So yeah, combine all of them together, roll this, fold it and it's ready. Now take green color of pipe cleaner, using this yellow pipe cleaner, tie a knot and put all the flower petals one after another around it. We're also opening the petals like this. After doing this, we're going to combine these large flower petals from the outside using green floral stick. We're going to combine them together. Now take these green color of pipe cleaner, fold it and make the leaves, and we are also tying a knot using this floral tape and look, your leaves are ready. Now combine all of them together on the green stick and roll it using floral tape. Give it shape like we're doing here and look, your beautiful flower sticks are ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.